is Ace Orana, and today I just wanted to show you how you can quickly make your own Starbucks Matcha Green Tea Frappuccino keto-friendly version. Yes, I know that Starbucks offers this sugar-free syrup, which I always do before, but with their Matcha Green Tea Frappuccino, I learned that the matcha powder itself has around 28 grams of carbs. So if you are in keto diet, that is way more than your allowable carbs intake for the day. So if you're craving for your matcha green tea frappuccino drink, this is the way to go. If you're in keto, I'm gonna put in the description below all the ingredients so you could follow along if you want to. And before we get going, please don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell to receive notifications on my upcoming keto-friendly recipes. And also don't forget to hit the like button for this video. So let's get started.
Put about 1/2 cup of ice cubes in a blender. Add 2.5 teaspoons of matcha powder. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar-free sweetener. I use Lakanto granular sugar here. Add 3/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Then add in 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Add also 1/4 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Blend for about 1 minute. Transfer to your favorite cup. Top with any sugar-free whipping cream or make your own by beating 2 tablespoons of heavy cream until soft cake forms.
And that's it. That's how easy it is to make this green tea matcha frappuccino Starbucks keto-friendly version. It's really good. I hope you enjoy this summer, and thank you for watching for today. I hope to see you guys next time. Have a great day. God bless you all. Bye-bye.